Welcome to Sims. Today topic trigonometry formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now we prove to sin theta and cos theta, secant theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. Very important, in that first one I take is sin square theta is plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, because LHS to RHS, this side LHS, this side RHS. LHS to RHS plus cos square theta minus cos square theta. So, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta square root, because here square LHS to RHS change root, or both sides square root apply, square root apply, square root apply, square root of sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta square root. Square की root की cancel, so sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Second one, now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now found the cos theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, because sin square this side coming, LHS to RHS coming, plus sin square theta change to minus sin square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta, because both sides square apply, or square root going to RHS root over. So it will comes to root over. And second one, now I will check to secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is LHS, this is RHS, because left hand side LHS or right hand side RH. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, because the secant square theta minus tan square theta going to RHS plus tan square theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 plus tan square theta. Both sides square root apply, secant square theta square root over 1 plus tan square theta. So square root cancel, secant theta is equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. This is second one. Next one, tan square theta we found. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We found tan square theta. Example, secant square theta going to tan square that side, LHS to RH side, plus tan square theta. So we found tan square theta. So that's why tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So tan square theta is equal to 1 LHS to RHS if sending secant square theta minus 1, because tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Both sides square apply, square root apply, root over tan square theta is equal to root over secant square theta minus 1. Square root cancel, tan theta is equal to root over secant square theta minus 1. Next, we found cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We found cosecant square theta now. So, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, because LHS to RHS come the cot square theta minus 2 plus. So, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Both sides square root apply root over cosecant square theta is equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta. So, square and root cancel, cosecant theta is equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta. Now we found cot theta. So, we will check cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now we found cot theta. So, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, because the cot square theta LHS to RHS 10 plus. So, LHS RHS is equal. So, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, because LHS is equal to RHS. So, cot square theta we need. So, cosecant square theta minus 1, because the 1 will comes to RHS side. So, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So, both sides square root apply root over cot square theta is equal to root over cosecant square theta minus 1. So, square root cancel, cot theta is equal to root over cosecant square theta minus 1. So, we found sin theta already found is equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta, and secant cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta root, and secant theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta root over, and tan theta is equal to 1 minus secant square theta root over, and cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, square root of 1 plus cot square theta, and cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 root over here tan theta. This is 1 by 1 found. Once check with cosecant tan theta. Again once I inform tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 minus secant root over secant square minus theta. So, one found tan theta is equal to 1 minus secant square theta. Secant theta also once you check again. Secant theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So, secant theta is equal to 1 minus root over cos square theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta minus secant square theta. Secant square theta is equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. So, secant square theta is 1 plus root over tan square theta. So, sin theta, cos theta, secant theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. And new concept is I will explain in the trigonometry. In the trigonometry, these are four. First one is coordinate 1, second one is coordinate 2, third one is coordinate 3, fourth one is coordinate 4. Means coordinate 1, coordinate 2, coordinate 3, coordinate 4. The first one is only 0 to 90 degree. Third one is, first one is 0 to 90 degree. Second one is 90 to 180 degree. Third one is 270 to 180 to 270. Fourth one is 270 to 360. If 360 over means again comes to Q1. And all of the remembering, first one is all, second one is silver, third one is tea, fourth one is cups. Means all means sin, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. All are positive. All are positive in first one. All are positive in first one. In second one, second coordinate, all, first one all, second one silver. Silver means sin theta, opposite cosecant theta. Cosecant theta only positive in second one. In third one, third coordinate, all silver teacup. So T mean tan and cot only positive in third coordinate. And fourth one means fourth coordinate. First one all, second one silver, third one tea, fourth one cups. C means cos theta, secant theta only positive in fourth coordinate. So all silver, tea, cups is used in trigonometry. All silver teacups, it will useful to which coordinate is positive is represents, it is a take easily. All means first coordinate sin, cos, tan, secant, cosecant positive. Second coordinate is sin, cosecant only positive. Third coordinate is tan, cot only positive. Fourth coordinate is cos, secant positive. This is remember to all for in your used in formulas. Whatever it may be plus negative, it is calculated for in problems or sums. So it will useful to very easy to understand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for supporting. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.